Hi everyone, Pex man, di kita mo biyaan, kaya ang biyaan, di gid malamian. So I'm doing my first vlog, which is, it's already March. If it's March ba ano kay, it means end of end of classes, and then summer is about to begin. Wana medyo mainit, bahalag na initan, basta nalamian. Medium lang ang weather sa labas. Hindi say medium. Di siya mainit. Di rin siya, what's the opposite of init? Di rin siya malamig. So it's not raining. So I'm home. Because actually I'm not feeling well. That's why I'm not beautiful. Charot. If you're not feeling well, it means you're not beautiful. So I'm just gonna eat na lang mga instant food. You say instant, mga pagkaing mabilisan. So of course my rice. So marami dyan everyday nag-exercise, pag uwi nag-a-only rice. Nakakaloka. So ayan, that's my rice. It's mais. Actually guys, rice right now is expensive na. So I used to eat brown rice, pero I should be practical because the price already reached 70. So brown rice, mais na lang tayo. And then of course noodles. I won't mention na lang ha, unless if sisikat ako, baka maging endorser ako nila. And of course my favorite crackers, yung I should mention na lang, I was still elementary pa, ito na yung baon ko, eggnog. O yan, kain tayo. And para maging social, lagyan natin ng kimchi. Kimchi. I bought in koan. Wag na lang. Basta masarap siyang lagyan. Di ako magcha-chopstick. Di ko feel. So anyway guys. So, lipat natin. Baka, yan. So, at my back, medyo messy ha. The watch. Kasi, watch, singular, nag-iisa lang. If it is plural, watches. Pero di ba hindi yan watch? That's clock. My gosh. Pero pag plural, clocks. Ay, clocks. So, kain tayo. So, I'm eating mais. Kasi mais na rice is less carbs. I won't mention the noodles. Basta this is local. I'm not using the international kasi pag bumibili ako, kinakain ko kaagad. So unlike mga Korean talaga, tsaka Japanese, kinakain ko kaagad. Hindi kasi actually, we have maraming tindahan ngayon na selling Koreans kasi maraming Koreans sa Philippines. It's a one direct flight. Anyway guys, sino dito nakaka-relate na pinipair nila yung ganito tsaka rice, and then nilalagyan ko siya ng noodles and then kimchi. Kimchi, by the way, is a famous Korean. Di ako mag-chopstick, di ko feel. Sana maraming views nito, no? Kumakain ako. Guys, give me a comment anong next yung gagawin. Meron ako magluto, sumayaw, kumanta, magsulat. Medyo halatang gutom ako, no? Yung pagiging maldita, dapat in the right place, in the right time. Ako maldita ako, ha? Yung maldita ko pag, yung tipong, dita kong ako yung nagmumukhang mali. Just like an incident happened like last week. That's gonna be last month. There's a teacher na mukhang feeling niya principal siya. You know, her attitude is, from day one I met her, I thought she's a principal. Siya yung kausap ko. Maglalabas talaga ako nito, ha. You know what, I really hate her. Kaya pala maraming galit sa kanya kasi yung ugali niya, yung feeling principal, yung siya yung kausap ko. Nag-overlap siya sa real principal. Ang principal nila napakabait, napaka-simple. Siya hindi. Kaya gusto ko i-address ba na minsan, maging fair tayo. Siya yung kinakatakutan sa school. I just want you to know na I'm also a teacher. I'm a nurse, a registered nurse, and a licensed teacher. Kahit di ako nag-practice as a teacher na, I just want you to know na ngayon, ang mga bata, may way sa pagtuturo. Marami akong, I learned a lot about you na ikaw daw yung mukhang principal, mukhang perfect discipline. Kung magsalita ka daw, gusto ko malaman mo, ha, verbal. Still, may impact yan. May batas tayo ngayon, di ba? I'm not saying na bawal magalit as long as, you know, there are lots of dropouts today. Why? Because yung mga teachers nila mismo yung gumagawa ng mali. As in, aminin. Next vlog ko, gagawa ko ng regarding na ganyan. Pero ngayon, tatapusin ko na ito sa pagkain. So, thank you guys. And hope you're gonna like. And comment below for my next vlog. So, thank you so much guys. And I love you. Salam.